This tutorial will walk you through the process of adding a course quiz in Foundation LMS. From Courses, Online, navigate to your course and click the Course Builder icon. In the Requirements section, ensure that the Pretest and/or Posttest are enabled if they are required for course completion. If Pretest is enabled, it will be administered as the first step of the course. A pretest is used for measuring the student's baseline knowledge before they engage in the course content. Pretest quizzes are not graded. If Posttest is enabled, it will be administered after the last course curriculum module. Click Add New to begin adding questions to your quiz. Click the drop-down menu to select a quiz question type. There are 3 question types: multiple choice, text, and label. Multiple choice. The student must select the correct answer from a list of options. Text. The student must type the correct answer. Label. Use this question type to add text in the quiz. This can be used to add any text that is not a question, such as a section header or special instructions. If your post-test is graded, assign a point value to your question. You may type it in manually, or you could increment or decrement the points with the arrow buttons. Note: question points do not apply to pretest quizzes, as they are not graded. Type in your quiz question. The built-in text editor enables course creators to format text color, size, and style, and enhance quiz questions by allowing the insertion of media, such as images and videos. Enable the "is required" option to make the question mandatory. Students will not be able to submit their quiz until all required questions have been answered. Type in the first answer choice. Click the Add button to add additional answer choices to your question. Repeat this step as needed. Click the checkbox to set the correct answer. Only one of the available answer choices can be set as the correct answer. Enter a rationale in the text box to provide an explanation as to why the answer is correct or incorrect. This is an optional field and can be left blank. The rationale is shown to students on the quiz results page only after they submit the post-test. If the post-test is graded, they will see the rationale after they submit with a passing score. Note: the rationale is not displayed after the pretest. To add additional questions, click Save and Add New. When all questions have been added, click Save and Close to return to the course builder. Or, to cancel without saving your question, click Cancel to return to the course builder. Click Save and Add New to demonstrate adding a different question type. Select Text as the question type from the drop-down menu. In a text question, students must type in their answer. As with the multiple choice question type, set the question's point value and add your question to the Enter Question field. Toggle is required if the question is mandatory. Type in the correct answer. For text-based question types, answers must be carefully considered, as students must answer exactly as they are entered here. We'll click Save and Add New to demonstrate one last question type. Select Label from the Question Type drop-down menu to insert text between questions. Labels can be used to provide instructions or additional information as needed. They are not numbered, so they won't affect the question sequence. Enter your label text. When you have finished adding all of your questions, click Save and Close to return to the course builder. Set the passing percentage to define the minimum score to pass the post-test. Use 0% if the post-test is ungraded. Set the post-test retake limit. If the student exceeds the retake limit, they will be redirected to the course module. After reviewing the course content, the student will be able to retake the post-test. Save the changes to passing percentage and retake limit. You can easily reorder quiz questions if needed. Just click anywhere inside a question box and drag to the desired location. Question numbering will be reordered and saved automatically. You can easily view the question settings from the course builder. Click Expand beneath the question. The question will expand to show you the question type, points assigned, required status, and the answer choices with the correct answer indicated. Click Hide to collapse the question. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to add a course quiz in Foundation LMS.